Did you know that yawning isn't just about being tired? It may actually cool your brain down. For years, people thought yawning was just a sign of boredom or sleepiness. But here's the twist. Scientists now believe yawning is your brain's built-in air conditioning system. When you yawn, you stretch your jaw, increase blood flow, and suck in a deep breath of air. That rush of cool oxygen helps lower the temperature of your brain, especially when it's overheated from stress, fatigue, or intense focus. It's not about being lazy. It's about your brain literally saying, I need to chill. So the next time someone yawns during a meeting, maybe they're not bored. Maybe their brain is just trying to stay sharp.